I'm Becky. I am the owner of the Beacon Center, and I want to show you around our space so that you can make it your space. Upon arriving, you will discover that our building is electronically secured. When you register with us, you'll give us a 4-digit PIN, and that's the code we will use for our lock system and our alarm systems. As you enter our front doors, you'll find our beautiful lobby with our reception desk. This is wonderful for welcoming your guests into our venue. Behind the front desk, you'll find this extra bonus room. It's wonderful for doing as a breakout room for your clients if you need to get away and close the door. It also includes the refrigerator and a microwave. It's wonderful for storing any condiments that you may need throughout the day. Off of the lobby, you'll find our coffee bar. Now this is wonderful if you need us to supply your coffee. We also have soft drinks that you can offer to your guests. Looking to do a presentation for your meeting? We have provided a 65-inch TV for your use. Equipped with our television is the connections. Easy to plug and play. All you need to do is take the cable that we provide you with an HDMI plug it into the port, into your computer. With the remote, turn on your TV, and whatever's on your device will show up on the TV. Here at the Beacon Center, we have installed 2 different video cameras, and this is for your use of streaming. We have it all pre-wired for you. All you need to do is come to the wall here. You can plug into our center camera, which will get your speaker, or you can plug into our front camera, which will display the entire room. This is great if you have a guest speaker who can't be here, or you need to offer video tickets. When you're using our color-changing LED lights, you'll find the remote control to access it right here in our cabinet. You'll just take this remote here and turn on the lights and turn them off, along with picking your colors and your design. One thing that clients love about us is that we have 2 separate bathrooms. Ladies, we have this beautiful bathroom just for you. And men, we have one just for you also. Are you looking to do headshots, professional videos, or have a photo booth? Our coffee bar automatically turns into a photo booth for you. You'll take these 3 poles, put them together, AA, BB, pick your white or your black backdrop, put it through the hem, and snap it to the walls to make your solid backdrop. Our cabinets are also a little gold mine of props that you're welcome to use for your event. Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour today. If you'd like to schedule your own personal tour, please go to our website, thebeaconcenter.com. Click on Free Tour. Thank you, and we look forward to making our space your space. Bye! See you soon.